In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit your chart of accounts, or expense categories, in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a larger team, having a clear and organized chart of accounts can make a world of difference for your financial transparency and efficiency. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Settings option in QuickBooks Online. You'll recognize this as the gear icon. Think of it as your one-stop shop for accessing all of your account settings and customization options. Once you're there, the next thing you'll do is select Chart of Accounts. This is essentially the backbone of your financial system in QuickBooks, where all your transaction details come together. Next up, you'll want to click on the New button. Don't worry if this feels a bit intimidating. It's simply your gateway to adding fresh accounts to your existing financial categories. Now, you have the chance to choose the desired account type. For example, you might be categorizing an expense, perhaps new office supplies, a software subscription, or travel costs. Be sure to select the most appropriate account type and also decide on a detail type. These are crucial for ensuring that your financial records are accurate and make sense to anyone reviewing them. Now, let's get a name for your account. This should be something clear and descriptive, as it'll help you quickly identify its purpose in the future. If you're creating multiple accounts, consistency is key here. Use a naming convention that makes sense for your business. In case you're thinking about making this a sub-account, QuickBooks has that flexibility too. Simply check the Is Sub-Account box. This option helps keep everything tidy by nesting your new account under a more general parent account. You can easily select the relevant parent account from the list provided, further streamlining your financial organization. Finally, it's time to seal the deal by clicking Save and Close. That's it, your new account is ready to go and integrate into your financial tracking in QuickBooks Online. Remember, this is not just about categorizing expenses. You're creating a more detailed narrative of where your money is coming from and where it's going, which can prove invaluable for future financial decisions. Now that you know how to create and edit your chart of accounts or expense categories in QuickBooks Online, you're well on your way to keeping your business finances organized and straightforward. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.